Sure, what is up guys? It is day 16 here in Australia. Right now we're here in Paddies Market. This is a really great spot to have some souvenirs, place to buy gifts to your loved ones, your friends and all, because it's really cheap price here. Paddies Market guys, really recommend it. So yeah, let's find some good stuff here. Shut boys.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
Just up guys, we're done in the Paddies Market. Now here, bus station, waiting for the bus because we are going back to Birkenhead for some redemption. See you guys there. Apparently, there's no JB Hi-Fi in Birkenhead Point, so change of plans. We're going to Westfield where there is a JB Hi-Fi because auntie is looking for a Instax printer. It's cool though, so yeah.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through.
Sure, what is up guys? We are now here in Botanical Gardens. It's just right near Opera House, Sydney Opera House, and this place is huge and it's very wonderful guys. It's so clean, it's so green and fresh air guys. Air is so good. So people leaving their trashes in this beautiful garden. What is wrong with
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down